In this garden there are 3 dogs. The first dog is a tan bull breed type bitch, and she's tethered on a chain with access to this kennel and some little bit of bedding in there. She has a bowl of water here. Now this dog is a tan bull breed bitch. She does have a number of scars and what appear to be puncture wounds on her muzzle, and also down the front of her legs. She'll be examined closely by a veterinary expert. Further along the garden is a black bull breed dog with a white to the facial area above the nose, and also white chest and a little bit of white on both rear sets of toes.
Yeah, there's a good dog. Sure. Yeah. Good dog. Good walk.
Okay.
Right. I'm seizing this dog. It will be exhibit JT3.
It's JT3.
And I'm seizing it as a possible pitbull type under the Dangerous Dogs Act and also under the Animal Welfare Act.
Okay. Good girl. Yes. It's a horse whip with this cloth tied around the end, and this, once again, I believe, is a training aid for fitness for a dog. It's commonly described as a flirt pole, and it's waved around by the trainer, keeper of the dog. Especially pitbull types will avidly chase after this and jump after it, and it can aid getting them very fit indeed. Right, inside here is a... Now this is all in one bag. It's a sponge. Sponges are often used for sponging down dogs in a fight. So there's a sponge in there. There's petroleum jelly. There's a big roll of tape. Could you open this tin for me, Inspector? Quality Street tin. Right, and in here is these are staplers. There are injectables. Opsite, spray dressing, scissors, Jufa suspension for injection for animals, Ivermectin injection for cattle, and the super glue, which is what one would always expect to find in a trauma kit. For, you know, you've got stapler here or super glue, depending on what type of tear wound it is as to how it's dressed. More super glue there. Hypodermic needles, gloves, butterfly infusion or similar. So that's it works in conjunction with a drip to administer saline or drugs. Pretty typical of a dog fighter's veterinary kit.